Yo, what is going on, guys? My name is Drake and I'm here with the Sim Unlock Phone official YouTube channel. And in today's video we have a tutorial for you guys, and we're going to show you guys how to create a new iCloud account on your iPhone.
So all you have to do is first go to your settings, go to the very top, click sign in, and now once you click this, it'll ask if you already have an account to sign in. If you have to make one like we do here, click don't have an Apple ID or forget it and click create Apple ID. Now it's going to ask some information. It's going to ask your birthday. Fill all this information out. So we're going to put in our birthday as well as our name, everything. Now if you just want to get your own iCloud, and once you fill out all the information, just click agree, and just like that, you have made a new iCloud account.
That's going to do it for the video, guys. If you did enjoy it, leave us a thumbs up. If it helped you, leave us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Signing off, this is Drake with Sim Unlock Phone. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.